I'm going to find out why smart drivers are buying old cars for a surprising reason. Buying an older car isn't just about saving money up front, it's about making a deeper, more strategic financial decision that many are overlooking. It's a move that's gaining traction among smart drivers who are looking beyond the immediate savings. When you buy a new car today, you're immediately hit with a host of financial pitfalls. Rapid depreciation is a major concern. A brand new car can lose up to 20% of its value the moment you drive it off the lot. Then there are the high insurance costs that come with new cars, often significantly higher than what you'd pay for an older model. And let's not forget about the increasingly complex and expensive repairs that modern cars require, thanks to all the advanced technology they come with. These high-tech features might make the driving experience more enjoyable, but they also mean that when something goes wrong, you're looking at a much bigger bill from the mechanic. This can be a real financial strain, especially if you're not prepared for it. Plus, the cost of replacement parts for new cars can be astronomical, which only adds to the overall expense of ownership. The financial implications don't stop there. The initial purchase price of a new car is just the beginning. You've got to factor in all the additional costs that come with it. Financing costs, registration fees, and so on. All these little expenses can add up quickly, making the overall cost of owning a new car a lot higher than you might expect. Smart drivers are turning to older cars for a variety of reasons. For one, the purchase price is often significantly lower, which means you can get more car for your money. Insurance costs are typically lower too, which can save you a pretty penny over time. Another big advantage of older cars is that they're often simpler to work on, which makes DIY repairs a lot more feasible. And let's not forget about the potential for classic car appreciation. Some older models actually increase in value over time. Certain older models have proven to be particularly reliable, which is a major draw for drivers who want a hassle-free experience. You can find a wide range of models from different eras that have a reputation for being durable and long-lasting. Whether you're looking for a fun project car or just a reliable ride, there's an older car out there that can meet your needs. The surprising reason smart drivers are buying old cars goes beyond just saving money. It's about achieving financial freedom. By choosing a car that doesn't depreciate as rapidly, or even one that appreciates in value, you're essentially making an investment. This can be a really smart move, especially if you're looking to build wealth over time. Take, for example, a classic car like a well-maintained Porsche 911. Not only does it hold its value incredibly well, but it can even appreciate in value over time. This means that if you decide to sell it down the line, you could potentially make a profit. It's a unique situation where you get to enjoy driving a great car while also making a savvy financial move. In summary, buying an older car can be a smart financial move, offering more than just savings but also a pathway to better financial health. It's a strategy that requires some research and planning, but the payoff can be well worth it. If you've had a positive experience with an older car, share your story with us in the comments. We'd love to hear about it. And if you're looking for more smart financial and automotive tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel for regular updates.